Novel food are regulated in most of the countries in the world because being innovative ingredients, being something that is not on the market yet, there is always a fear that might be unsafe. If you develop a new ingredient, you might have different challenges in different countries. In Europe in particular, you have this novel food regime, which is quite strict as an application that you have to do to go to the market. Now, it's a very dynamic area. We are assisting to a lot of changes in the food supply chain. The farm to fork strategy of the Commission is pushing innovation to provide new ingredients, new proteins. But we have this regulatory environment which is quite strict with a lot of red tape, which is a bit slowing down the innovations. So we have to find a new balance, probably from a regulatory perspective, between protection of consumers and innovation.
The novel food law in Europe is very strict. And that again for a company is a big issue because you have to pay a lot of money to conduct studies that prove that your product is safe. And if you're lucky, you have to conduct studies with animals and with humans over years and years and years, and it can cost you millions.